Good evening, everyone. Brendan from Star Point Australis. Thanks for joining me on this Tuesday for the week that was. Episode number, I'll get back to you on that one, but there's been a few. Well, what have we been up to this week? Nothing too strenuous. Obviously, over the last week, I've had a head cold, so I've been kind of down and out. I'm just feeling really lethargic, so I haven't been pushing so hard as I normally do. But that doesn't mean that we haven't been doing nothing. So we've got the SP3. I'm waiting on a bearing. I made an ordering error, and I ordered a 7mm bore when I should have ordered an 8mm bore. So I'm waiting on those to come through because they're a very specialized, what they call miniature bearing, to go inside the focuser. But once I get that this week, it's in Perth at the moment, but it's just got to get into here because it comes from the East Coast. So once they come over, then you'll get a bit of content of me testing and putting the SP3 through its paces. We've got some additional adapters and bits and pieces being made as we speak, so they should be coming in soon. The Octans and Phoenix. For all of you who have purchased the Octans and Phoenix, I'll be sending an email out soon just to notify you in a little bit more detail of what's going on there. But yeah, we're still working on a solution to get over some of the issues that have popped up. But you know, these are the things that happen with business. We keep on pushing. What else? Jess and I are off to Brisbane mid next week, and we'll send you a little bit of updates as we go, but we'll be pretty much doing 13-hour, 14-hour days for 4 days straight and getting back pretty much for the week that was in the following. So looking forward to that. We leave, like I said, next Wednesday. Other than that, it's been really, really quiet. So I don't have too much more to update you with, but until then, stay safe. Hopefully it's clear skies where you are. And I'll talk to you next Tuesday. Thanks. Bye.